In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase items on your Steam profile with ease. If you've ever wanted to personalize your profile and highlight your favorite in-game items or creations, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to effectively use the profile showcase feature available on Steam. So let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Steam app. If you're not logged in automatically, which is usually how Steam is set up, you will need to click on the login option at the top right corner of the application. When prompted, enter your account name and password, ensuring you've typed them correctly. Mistakes are common, especially if your password is long and complex. If everything is good to go, hit the sign in button. This will take you to your Steam homepage, which is the central hub for all your gaming activities. Once you're comfortably set on your main screen, look for your profile name. You'll typically find this at the upper part of the window. Clicking on your name will reveal a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select View My Profile from this list. This action will navigate you directly to your profile page where all the excitement begins. Now, to customize your showcase, you need to click on Edit Profile. A quick note before we proceed: showcasing items requires you to be at least level 10 on Steam. Reaching this level will unlock your profile showcase slot, granting you the freedom to display items. Leveling up involves engaging with the Steam community, earning badges and other activities that garner Steam experience points. If you're not level 10 yet, it could be a fun goal to work towards. Assuming you have the necessary level, navigate to the featured showcase section on your profile edit page. This is where the magic happens. If you have an available showcase slot, you can add items straight from your inventory or the workshop. These could be unique finds or creations you are particularly proud of. Remember, the items you choose should reflect your personality or gaming style, since they'll be one of the first things people see on your profile. Once you've made your selection, the final step is to click Use this item. Doing so will update your profile, and the selected items will now be on display for everyone to see. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've now personalized your Steam profile to stand out in the community. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.